Member Linda Akey.
Thank you, Mayor. Whereas the theme of Mental Health Awareness Month for 2024 is Where to Start Mental Health in a Changing World, and is focused on the first steps toward taking care of your own well-being, and whereas the community where someone lives in plays a significant role in their overall health and well-being, and whereas surroundings can impact if, how, and when needs are met, which in turn affects mental health. And whereas, with early and effective interventions, those individuals with mental health conditions can recover and lead full, productive lives. And whereas, all business, school, government agency, healthcare provider, organization, and community members share the burden of mental health problems and has a responsibility to support mental health and wellness and prevention efforts. And whereas local providers have been responding to the needs of people with mental illness in King County by working to transform the quality of life for people vulnerable to mental illness and addiction through a broad spectrum of care. And whereas the Burien City Council approved new investments in 2021 that pairs social work and mental health professionals with police and fire first responders to help people experiencing mental health crisis. And whereas this is an opportunity to shine a spotlight on the need to strengthen our local mental health care system. Now, therefore, the City Council of the City of Burien, Washington, does hereby ask all Burien community members to join together to proclaim May 2024 as Mental Health Awareness Month in the City of Burien, and urges all community members to help destigmatize and raise awareness of mental health.
Thank you. Do you have someone to accept it? Oh, great.
I would like to invite Ravenna Candy and Caitlin Margitan. Are you here? Yes, please come forward to the podium. They are from Navos, and we have a long history with Navos providing mental health services in our community, and we are so grateful for all of the work that they have been doing in the city of Burien for all of these years. I'd like to turn it over to you for your comments.
Well, thank you very much for having myself and Caitlin Margitan here. My name is Ravenna Candy. I'm a director at Navos Mental Health for 20 years. Caitlin has served as the medical director there for 2 years. Navos has a long history committed to serving Burien. Navos built its mental health and wellness center on Ambaum and 136th to be embedded in Burien for ease of access for mental health services for all Burien residents. Navos' longstanding presence as the primary provider for behavioral health services in Burien is dedicated to providing services for a whole continuum of care, spanning the life cycle from infant mental health, child and family, school-based, adult and older adult mental health services. We provide specialty services such as in-home children's services with children that have developmental disabilities, substance use disorder treatment, residential and housing services. We also have our own pharmacy at the Mental Health and Wellness Center and our own hospital in West Seattle. Now, in its partnership with MultiCare, we will have more enhanced and reliable services. This partnership provides an opportunity for population health strategy, which allows us to serve the whole person in Burien. This is what we want to continue to be and only get better at as champions of mental health service delivery. MultiCare Behavioral Health has been integrated into behavioral health clinics for years, with the goal of being the largest provider for increasing equal access to care by partnership with the mental health experts such as Greater Lakes and Navos. MultiCare is supporting the infrastructure and helping Navos to grow in the Burien community by leveraging strengths with a whole person approach. We anticipate this benefiting the citizens of Burien. Thank you for our continued partnership between Navos and the city of Burien. We look forward to expanding service delivery in Burien. Navos is committed to helping improve the quality of life for as many children, individuals, and families in Burien as we can help. We work closely with King County, DSHS, the state, and the University of Washington School of Medicine. MultiCare Navos is committed to providing the highest value service using the evidence-based best practices. Navos has been part of the fabric, culture, and community of Burien since the 1960s, and we look forward to a bright future together. We look forward to continued partnership, collaboration, and supporting the Burien community schools, and neighborhoods. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And